How to get a business account on your Wiz application. Hello everyone, welcome in this video. I will tell you today how to do this. Just follow me in this video till the end. So first guys, you should go and open your Wiz, and then you should come directly to your profile. Open your profile icon will found right here two options. You will just click on get a business account, and then for example you will choose your country from here, and then you will write your business name, for example, and then select the type and your registration number. Click continue, and then it will work with you. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another